If you're trying to fix the chess.com Cloudflare error, especially if you're seeing messages like rate limited, access denied, or a Cloudflare block, this video will walk you through the safest and fastest steps to get back in. In this guide, I'll show you what to do first, what not to do, and how to test whether the issue is on your network, your browser, or chess.com itself. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now, let's get into it. First, if you see a message that says you are being rate limited, the most important thing to do is stop refreshing the page. A lot of people think refreshing over and over will fix it, but it usually makes the block last longer. Instead, leave chess.com alone for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This gives the server time to clear the temporary limit on your connection. If you keep trying too often, the timer may reset or extend, so patience is the first fix. While you're waiting, think about whether you were doing a lot of actions in a short time, like opening multiple tabs, logging in and out repeatedly, or running automated tools. Cloudflare and chess.com can flag that kind of behavior as suspicious, so the best approach is to slow down, wait it out, and then try again carefully after the cooldown period. If the issue is not just a rate limit and you're seeing an access denied or Cloudflare error 1020, the next thing to check is your network. Start by turning off your VPN if you're using one. Cloudflare often blocks VPN IP ranges because they're shared by many users and can look risky. Once the VPN is off, reload chess.com and see if the site opens normally. If that solves it, the problem was likely your VPN's IP address. If you're not using a VPN or turning it off did not help, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you can. On a phone, turn off Wi-Fi and use your 4G or 5G connection instead. On a laptop with tethering available, connect through your phone hotspot. This can give you a fresh IP address that isn't flagged, which often clears up the Cloudflare block right away. If chess.com loads on mobile data but not on your home Wi-Fi, then your home IP may be temporarily flagged. Another simple test is to open chess.com in an incognito window. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private browsing window. This helps you test the site without your saved cookies, cache, or browser extensions interfering. If chess.com works in incognito mode, the problem may be related to stored browser data or an extension causing the block. If it still fails there too, the issue is more likely your connection or the site itself. If incognito works, go back to your normal browser and clear your cookies and cache for chess.com. Sometimes old session data can trigger Cloudflare checks and make it look like the site is blocked when it's really just a bad browser session. After clearing the data, sign in again and test the site one more time. Also try disabling extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, since those can sometimes interfere with Cloudflare's verification process. Now, if none of that works, you need to check whether the problem is actually on chess.com's side or Cloudflare's side. Visit cloudflarestatus.com to see if there is a current outage or service issue. You can also check chess.com/TV or chess.com's social feed for updates. If there's a regional or widespread issue, then the best solution is simply to wait until the service is restored. In that case, nothing is wrong with your device or account. If the site is working for other people but not for you, then the issue is usually local to your network, browser, or IP address. Try restarting your router to get a fresh connection, then test again after a few minutes. If your internet provider gives you a dynamic IP, this may change your address and clear the block. If not, switching networks is still the easiest workaround. To summarize the best fix order, first wait 15 to 30 minutes if you're rate limited, then stop refreshing. Next, turn off your VPN, switch to mobile data if possible, test in incognito mode, clear browser data, and check the status pages for outages. That sequence solves most chess.com Cloudflare issues quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix the chess.com Cloudflare error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials and fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.